Wait a minute, y'all. My smoke detector just came on. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. Oh, my bun look real big. Today is Friday. I did my hair yesterday. I didn't do a tutorial because I did it the same way I usually do my braids. I'll leave a link to another tutorial that I did just like this style. But it's Friday. We get ready to eat, and I wanted to show you. I got this from Aldi's. I think it was like $12. They look good. From Aldi's. This cute little satin robe. It's wrinkled. And then we got this from Aldi's as well. It was a diffuser. My silly self thought it had the oils in here, but it don't. You have to buy the oil separately. So probably tomorrow we're going to be running some errands and go to Marshall's and grab some oil for the diffuser. And then I wanted to get, I can't remember what off the top of my head what else I wanted. Oh, I wanted some more syrup. OMG. Got this from Marshall's. This big bottle was only $5.99. Vanilla bean. Oh, I've been putting this in everything. My matcha teas, my regular tea, my coffee. Oh my goodness. Love this. So I want to get vanilla bean and probably another flavor. And then the crazy thing about it is this is a dollar more than this one. I guess because Starbucks, you know, it's the brand. But you get way more in here. Yeah, more than double in here. So I'm not going to buy the small ones anymore. I'm going to grab this brand. Tastes just as good to me. So last time y'all saw me, I think I had just cut my hair. I colored my hair and I wore it out for like 3 to 4 weeks. I thought the color was going to make me wear it out more, but it didn't. I still want to put it in protective style. So you'll see more of my hair tomorrow. The patch of red that I have in my head, I use red hair for those braids, and then the rest of my hair I use black. But I'll show you more probably when I go up in the beauty room so you can see a better view. So this salad is from this burger spot. They specialize in burgers, but I like their salads. The salad has avocado and chunks of crab meat, and they got a balsamic vinaigrette. Oh, this vinaigrette is so freaking good. They need to bottle this. So I'm getting ready to eat this, and we probably get ready to watch this show on HBO. I think it's called The Staircase. I watch ID channel documentaries, murder mysteries. I watch everything all the time, and it's about the guy, I forgot his name, but basically he's on trial, going on trial because his wife was found at the bottom of the staircase dead, and he made it seem like she fell down the steps, but police officers, the prosecutors said it looked like he killed her. So it's a good show. It's good, but it's sad because it's based off of someone's real life. The lady really did die. It's a lot of twists and turns. They was married for a whole bunch of years, wound up finding out that he was gay or bisexual, and he was having relations with guys behind her back. It's a lot of drama, twists and turns. So we about to watch that and probably just chill for the rest of the night. Probably give me a little glass of wine. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, today is my first day wearing my braids all the way out, and I got them real long. Like, I mean them real long. Hey y'all, I'm in Target. The next day is Saturday with my sister and my niece. We're over at Starbucks. I'm trying to do the right thing and watch my sugar intake and everything. But anyway, I saw this purse. I think it's kind of cute. $25. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not, but I'm just gonna try it and see what they say. They always crush my dreams. I don't know why I'm gonna ask them. It's giving me like a 70's vibe. We're going to Trader Joe's, so that's where I really want to grab a couple of items. I don't know. It's like a lot of 70's inspiration in here. Step back in a time machine. Like Scooby-Doo. I'm about to show them my purse. Watch, they gonna watch what they gonna say. Get my nerves. What y'all think about my purse? It's not my cup of tea. I don't know. No, I don't like it. Sorry. I told y'all they're gonna crush my dreams. Hey, show the people how to look at me. Hey yo, this is how it would look on me. Because I can see me wearing a nice, like, plain, like, all black outfit. And I know it's giving me 70's inspiration. It's like everything in here is, but this is like the best.
Giving like my little niece put it together. And
you said what?
I said it's giving my little niece put it together. With the beads for Christmas or something. I don't know.
Oh, if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is.
Hey yo, we stopped past my mother's house to see how she's doing. Drop her off a couple things we got from Trader Joe's for her. She made me some chocolate pancakes, and I'm about to eat these, and I guess we're going to our next destination.
It's the new season for DC.
Is it on yet? It didn't come on yet.
I don't think so. It's okay.
They said DJ Quick is on there. His
DJ Quick.
Yeah, his wife.
I thought they was from LA. Did they move to DC?
DJ Quick?
He said DJ
Quick Silver. Oh, Silver. I know what's up with a Quick in there.
I'm about to say DJ Quick.
I knew it was a Quick in there.
Quick. Oh, tonight.
Oh,
there you go. Uh-oh.
Probably not, but okay. We watch movies on the weekends.
Y'all keep
Mama is letting us pick out some of her hair care products that she doesn't want anymore on her hair care cart.
Check the battery life.
So trying to see what she's giving us.
Oh, you okay? But
I had some of this. You like this? Because I had give you my bottle if you want it.
I like that. This mine too. I just got this. Tails.
Yeah. Oh, you got another one? Or that's what I got you?
No, that's the one you got me.
Oh, yeah. So this is all the products that my mother is letting us pick out. So we just gonna grab what we want here. We want to see if you want it or if I want it. You want to do that?
All right,
I'm asking you. All right. We trying to make it be fair.
I'm about to say.
All right, Keys. Let's start down here. I have a lot of this. Do you want that?
I'll take that.
Okay. All right. So this one has lavender, eucalyptus, sleep, and peppermint. And this one has tea tree, spearmint, rosemary, grapefruit, sage, lime. I don't want to smell nothing of no lime or no sage. So it smell like chicken in the house. Oh, they got different for like pain, detox, muscle. What's that? Detox, muscle relief, relax, balance, lavender, sandalwood, rosemary, lavender, air blend.
Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me anymore.
Some cooking oil, black truffle oil. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom. $5. And then this shampoo, Giovanni's seasoned castor oil shampoo, and it's on sale for $8. They're gonna flip over.
I know.
All of them are sugar free, so I wanted vanilla bean. That's my favorite. So I seen French vanilla, and it's $5.99 for this huge size. Is this enough? How big is this? Is this enough salad? Get the salad spinner keys.
Oh, y'all. Ooh.
Finally. So that's too small, isn't it? How many ounces? You want one keys? You want hold that one?
Let me see that. There's another one down here.
All right.
Oh, hold on.
You gotta twist it like a
Oh, like. Ooh. I want one. I'm getting one.
You want this one?
It don't even
They
matter.
got that one. No, I'm getting this one, I guess. Finally got my salad spinner. Yeah, that's it. You're cute. 4, and it's on sale.
Oh, I like the circle one.
So that's cute.
I don't know. These are cute.
That
like
circle.
these.
I don't know. I feel like I always get circle. That's something different.
Okay. If I had
That
to pick it,
circle. And then what are these? Are these the same ones? Or are these round ones?
Yeah, they the same ones as different bags.
I don't want circle. I want these.
All right.
Circles are cute too, but $8. That's really cute. I like that. As much cookouts as we have, and it would be good, but. It's supposed to be for all hair types. I definitely need protein with my daggone color now. You had that camera that close to my face. Alright, I'm ready. I'm not big sticking up now.
Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too
y'all. Just coming back upstairs from cooking. The fajitas, they were so good. I'm so freaking tired and sleepy right now. I just want to show y'all some of the items that I got from my mother house and from Marshall's. Oh my gosh, today was a long day. Y'all was with me all day and seeing everything that I did today. And then it was raining here, so it was raining on and off, and it was hot and sticky and muggy. So yeah, I need to jump in the shower. But let me show y'all some of the items I got from Marshall's, like the food items that we got. I left them downstairs, like the infused oil. I think I got some habanero sauce, whatever that was, like food related. I just left it downstairs. I didn't bring it up here. So this shampoo, Bio-Keratin, well, it's a conditioner. Bio-Keratin conditioner. It says it's a keratin hydrating conditioner infused with botanical extracts and keratin protein, sulfate and paraben free, color safe. So I brought this because of the protein that it has in it. Of course, as y'all know, if you've been following me, I just recently colored my hair. This part right here is actually red too under these braids. They don't jumping in the window. And yeah, you need, if you have colored hair, you will want to put protein treatments in your hair to help strengthen your hair. Even though your hair might seem to appear to be healthy, the color didn't change your curl texture or pattern, but coloring your hair is not good, pretty much. It is not like it's a horrible thing, but you need to take better care of your hair if you want your hair to stay healthy and not fall out. Anyway, so I brought this conditioner that has protein in it, and it was only $6. It was on sale. You know your girl love a good old sale, so I couldn't pass this by. This is a huge bottle, so got this. Oh, wait a minute. Then I got the oils, some essential oils. It says a Peace Calm and essential oil kit. It has lavender, eucalyptus, sleep, and peppermint. So I will be using this in my diffuser that I purchased last week from Aldi's. And while I was over my mother's house, I saw she had the oil kit. I was like, Ma, can I have that? She was like, no, I wanted a diffuser. I didn't get one yet, so I picked her one up. So this is her diffuser. So she already has the oil, so I'm going to give this to her. And then she has the same kit that I have too from Marshall. So this is hers. Giovanni's Soothing Castor Oil Shampoo for all hair types to cleanse, moisturizes the scalp with a deep oil blend of castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and keratin for smooth and silky tresses. I can always use a good moisturizing shampoo because I have some clarifying shampoos. This was on sale as well for $8. Couldn't pass that by. This is, what is this? Spring Flowers Foaming Body Scrub. So I will be putting this on tonight when I jump in the shower. The flowers is giving real... It reminds me of like my older teacher when I was like at elementary school, like a mature woman. The floral smell. And this was only $3.50. But I really went in there for what I told y'all last night was just the essential oils and the syrup. I did get 2 syrups. They didn't have my favorite one that I wanted, which was vanilla bean. I showed y'all the store, the ones that I got. I can't even remember. I'm so sleepy and tired running all day. Let me just show y'all a quick glance of what I got from my mother's. And don't mind the hair in the back. That's my natural hair that I cut. Alright, wait a minute, y'all. My smoke detector just came on. So freaking annoying. Something about fire. I'll be back. Let me go see what's going on with this smoke detector. It's too late for that to be on. I'm back. I don't know. My man said it's still smoky downstairs from when I was making chicken fajitas. So when one smoke detector go off, all of them, they are connected. So all of them go off. So don't mind the hair in the back. That's my hair that I cut when I was shaping my hair. Did y'all mother used to keep your hair when y'all was a baby or younger, when she used to cut your bangs or something like that? My mother used to keep our hair. So maybe that's why I just don't know what to do. I should just throw it away. I don't know. And these little curly pieces I cut when my hair was wet, was in the wash and go style. Anyway, enough of my hair looking like a crazy person. Over here are the products that I got from my mother's house. Some products are halfway, almost pretty much down to the bottom. And then some products are like full to the top and stuff. So Thank you, Mommy. I appreciate it. Some of these products like these I tried before, had in the past. So that's more than halfway gone, but still I could use that one good time. And this shampoo is like half filled, so that's good. But like these, I don't think I used any of these before. TGI and Twist. This is for like it's 4th time. Haven't used this one. Raw Sugar. Miss Jackie's, I haven't used their products because their products was really expensive. It might still be expensive, but I know when I first went natural and I was trying different brands, this is one of the brands that I was like, I can't afford you, baby. You just too expensive. And I don't think I used any of my products either. Style Setting Spray. So thank you, Mommy. Then she gave me some of her lipstick she don't even wear, wore once or twice. So me and my sister split that. Got an e.l.f. liner in the color mauve. A lot of lipstick she had, I already had a lot of those shades. So she gave me the little lipstick clear container. And a bag of things that she barely even wore. She maybe wore once or twice. This one, Sephora, I love this color. As you can see, it still has the seal on it. That reminds me of, what's this, Ruby Woo from MAC. I did my braids, like I said, 2 days ago. And I had my glasses on when I was doing my braids, and I left this whole patch out right here. So I just put a little gel on here, but I think I'm going to take this braid out. Yeah, I'm going to take this braid out tonight so I can braid this back into here, because I don't like putting gel on my hair every day. And I will have to do that for this little piece. It's just too long. Too much hair. Yeah, it's too long, so I got to braid this up. Alright, y'all, enough of me rambling on. I'm going to get ready to take this out, do it over, and jump in the shower. Put my diffuser on. Hope y'all had a productive, safe weekend. And as always, thank you for watching my vlogs. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bodies together.